Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover deleted files with Microsoft, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding that recovering deleted files can vary based on the version of Windows you're using. First, check your recycle bin. Double-click the recycle bin icon on your desktop. If you find the deleted file, right-click on it. Select the Restore option from the context menu. This action will return the file to its original location. If the file isn't in the recycle bin, you can try restoring from previous versions. Right-click on the folder where the file was last located. Choose Properties from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the Previous Versions tab. Here, you will see a list of backups available for that folder. Select a version that predates the file's deletion. Click on the Restore button to recover your file. If you don't have a previous version available, you can use File History. Ensure that File History is enabled on your device beforehand. To access File History, go to Settings, Update and Security Backup. Click on More Options, then Restore Files from a current backup. Browse through the backups to locate your deleted file. Select it and click the Restore button. If you need a more advanced option, consider using a data recovery software. Several options are available online, both free and paid. Download and install one of these recovery tools. Follow the software's prompts to scan for deleted files. Once the scan is complete, check the results for your deleted files. Select the files you wish to recover and follow the on-screen instructions. Lastly, if you are unable to recover your files yourself, consult a professional data recovery service. Keep in mind that the sooner you attempt recovery, the higher your chances of success. By following these steps, you can effectively recover deleted files using Microsoft tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.